Guys, welcome to Pen Dentistry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel and learn the dentistry in an easy manner. Now we are going to see the surface of the tooth. The human tooth is divided into two, the posterior and the anterior. I see incisors and canines comes in anterior region and the premolars and molars, these both types comes in the posterior region. In anterior region, we are having the faces, the lingual face and the labial face. Labial face are when you are going to see your mouth from the front view, you are going to note that face. This face is the labial. And the face which is just opposite inside the mouth, just opposite to this labial, that is known as lingual face. The upper face, this is the cutting face, this one is known as incisal face. The labial as well as the lingual both together are known as facial surface in the anterior one. In the same manner, the faces are the surfaces of occlusal teeth is in the same manner the posterior teeth are having the surface the same as lingual and the buccal. Here labial is not denoted because the posterior teeth are having a buccal name. Okay. So whatever the face which is in your front view, which you can see from the front side, that is known as the buccal, and opposite to the buccal is known as a lingual. The face surface which is on the ear, on the occlusal part means the surface that contact the opposing teeth. The above teeth, if here the teeth is present, okay, and the same manner the down teeth are present like this, okay. So these teeth are having a contact area between them. This is known as the occlusal surface. This is the above surface is known as occlusal surface in posterior, and incisal surface, the above surface is known as incisal surface in the anterior region. The name changes as we go from the anterior to posterior. In anterior, there is an incisal, then the same face is having an occlusal name in the posterior. The face which is having the front surface which is having a name labial, it become buccal, and the lingual become, sorry, the lingual is lingual here. When you see the anterior teeth or posterior teeth, according to the maxilla and the mandible, in maxilla the anterior teeth is having the same name, but as we go posterior, in posterior we go, at that time the lingual name become palatal. The lingual name is changed into palatal because the palate is present in the maxilla region, and the roots which are present just connected to the palate area, that is known as palatal surface. Okay, and those roots will be known as palatal roots. And another thing is that mesial and distal. What are mesial and distal surface? Mesial surface are the surface in the midline. If you are watching the first, if you are watching the first incisor, that is central incisor, the face which is the face, it is having a two face, this one here and here, two faces are there of the single tooth. The face which is just towards the midline, that is known as mesial side, and opposite the mesial side, okay, the opposite of the mesial will be distal. In the same manner, if you are watching this, if you are watching the second tooth, the face, it is also having the two face, The face which is towards the midline. This is the face towards the midline. Okay, this is the towards the midline face. This one. So this is known as mesial and the opposite of mesial is distal. Again, in the same manner, if we are watching a canine, it is also having a two faces in the arch. The face which is towards the midline. This is the face towards the midline. So it is known as mesial side and opposite to that is distal. If we are watching the left side, this one was the right side. If we are watching the left side, again here, the face which is mesial, towards the mesial side. It is having a two face. Central incisor is having a two face. This is the face towards the midline. Okay, this is the midline and this face is near to that. That is known as mesial side and opposite to that will be distal. Mesial is towards the midline. If the lateral incisor we are watching, it is also having a two face. Okay, this is the face which is towards the midline. It is known as mesial side. Opposite to that will be distal side. So this was the basic surfaces of the tooth. Surface of the tooth. Anterior is having a different name. Posterior is having a different name. Anterior is involved with the incisal, lingual and labial. In posterior there is a occlusal, lingual and buccal. And we have learned the distal and mesial side as well. So if you like the video, please subscribe and keep watching Pen Dentistry. This is very helpful video for the first year students who has just entered in their dentistry session. So keep watching Pen Dentistry. Comment me the topic which you want to learn, and if you are having a difficulty in some of the topics, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.